Thanks a lot, Maida. Well, a Southside family is happy to have their stolen truck located, but let's just say they might not be getting it back anytime soon. And here's the deal. It's stuck in the sand, like really stuck. Police found the stolen truck abandoned on North Beach just this morning, and they believe that the same person who stole the truck drove it into the sand until it was stuck on purpose. And this is how bad it was. One wrecker service already turned down the job because they said it was going to be just too hard to get out. Police say that it took 3 large wreckers to get the truck out of the sand. They did find stolen tools inside the truck that were part of another theft.